Today we are going to take you through our app Splitter. Splitter aims at solving the real life problems of splitting up the bill. It must have occurred to most of us that whenever we go out with friends, the major problem that we all face is splitting up the bill. So Splitter helps by giving a platform where you can update each user's account, that how much each user has paid or how much he owes, and the splitter will tell every user the exact amounts which he or she needs to pay. So now over to Vani, who will take us through the web app.
So here we'll take a look at the web app where we can see that it is now running on a local host. We could not deploy it, but we will deploy it soon and then post the URL on Piazza where you people can take a look. Sorry for the delay, but I hope you like the interface. So here is our page, sign up page, where you can sign up and put in your credentials like your first name, last name, profile name by which you want to be known, your email address. It is very clear and we've implemented this feature that if you don't fill in any of the lists any of the field, then it will give you an error. For example, if I sign up without filling in any of the fields, it will give me an error about what all I need to do. Then I can sign up. I'll show you by signing up one user, profile name, then I'll enter the email address, then password is an encrypted form so that it is not misused, and then I sign up. And then you can see that there is a flash message that we welcome and we have signed in successfully. We can also cross it out. Then we can add any of the new events. By adding new event, we can clearly, there is a drop down list which shows any of the users that are on Splitter right now. And then we can add in the name of the event. For example, we went out for lunch, or no, we went out for a movie. Then date, we can add number of people who attended the event. We can add that also here. Then we can add the expenditure, and then we can create the event. We have gone back and we see that we have a flash message that event was successfully created. Then we can easily go back and see all the events, and now I'll pass it on to Aviral.
As we can see that we have implemented the hover class on our app. So whenever we hover over the event, it will show us the timestamp and the options to edit and delete the messages. Also, on the top right corner, we can see that it will refer us to by our first and the last name, which we can click, and then we'll go to the edit user page. Here we can edit our password, and we can also cancel our account. So all this makes very easy for the users to log in, to log out, or to delete their accounts from the Splitter app. We can also log out very easily by just clicking the logout button, and it will show us the message signed out successfully. Right now, why we are seeing all the events is because we have not implemented the admin class, which will just show the particular events to just one user, but that will be compiled on in later edition, the later milestones. Sorry for the delay. We have just prepared the basic framework of our app, and the other features will be deployed really soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.